In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Facebook account and navigate the marketplace so you can start selling your unused items. We're all familiar with Facebook as a social networking platform, but its marketplace feature offers a fantastic avenue for selling things you no longer need. Whether it's gadgets, furniture, or even vehicles, getting started is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step. First, let's address the basics. To use Facebook Marketplace, you must be at least 18 years old. Your account needs to be genuine and active, meaning you should have a recognized profile picture and some activity on your profile. This helps build trust with potential buyers. Ensuring your account is set up properly is crucial, as most buyers like to know they're dealing with a real person. Once your account is in good shape, let's dive into accessing the marketplace itself. If you're on a computer using a web browser like Chrome, simply type facebook.com/marketplace into the address bar. Easy, right? Now, if you're on your phone, open the Facebook app. Here, you'll notice a series of icons at the bottom of the screen. Look for the one that resembles a small shop or marketplace. Give it a tap, and you're in. Now that you've opened the marketplace, it's time to create your first listing. Look around and find the option that says Create New Listing. This is your gateway to selling. Facebook provides you with choices depending on what you're aiming to sell. You can select item for sale if you're offering clothes, gadgets, or furniture. If it's a vehicle like cars or motorcycles, there's an option for that too. And if you have a home to sell or rent, Facebook's got you covered. With your selection made, let's fill in those important product details. First up, photos. Keep them clear and bright. This could mean taking shots from several angles to give potential buyers the best impression of your item. Consider it your digital storefront. Then, there's the title. Make it snappy and descriptive. For example, iPhone 12, great condition, works well. After tantalizing them with the title and photos, set the price. A fantastic tip here is to do a little research on similar items and maybe price yours slightly lower for a quicker sale. For the description, honesty is key. Include details like size, condition, and any pickup or delivery options. Lastly, to make sure buyers in your area can easily find your item, choose the correct category and specify your location. Once everything is set and you're happy with your listing, hit that publish button. And here's a pro tip, share your new listing with local buy-sell groups too. It's an excellent way to widen your reach and find the right buyer even faster. By following these steps, your Facebook Marketplace setup will be smooth and efficient, and you'll be well on your way to selling your first item in no time.